Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, this is me, Atiq Ahmad. Today we are going to study the topic meiosis. In the previous lectures, we have studied the mitosis process. Today we are going to study the second type of cell division, that is meiosis. The meiosis word is basically derived from a Greek word meion. Meion means to make less or smaller. Meiosis is the type of cell division in which the number of chromosomes in the daughter cells is reduced. They become less to half as that of parent cell. Meiosis was discovered in 1876 by a German biologist, Oskar Hartwig. Now, meiosis word is derived from meion because in this process, in this type of cell division, the number of chromosomes become less. The number of chromosomes are reduced to half as that of parent cell. In the process of meiosis, one cell is divided into four cells. And the daughter cells, the four daughter cells will have half the number of chromosomes as that of the parent cell. For example, in humans, when the process of meiosis occurs, so one cell is divided into four cells. In the parent cell, the number of chromosomes are 46. But in the four daughter cells which are produced as a result of meiosis, the number of chromosomes will be reduced to half. So the four daughter cells, the sperms or eggs, which are produced as a result of meiosis, they will have 23 chromosomes. So meiosis is also known as reduction division because in this process the number of chromosomes are reduced to half as that of the parent cell. It was discovered by the German biologist Oskar Hartwig in 1876. We will move towards the teaching points. Meiosis or reduction division is the cell division in which one diploid eukaryotic cell divides to generate four haploid 1n daughter cells. Meiosis is also known as reduction division because in this process the number of chromosomes is reduced to half. And in this process one diploid 2n cells. Diploid cells is that cells which contain the full number of chromosomes. In diploid cells, the chromosomes are in the form of pairs. For example, in humans, the normal somatic cell is a diploid cell because it contains 46 chromosomes, and these 46 chromosomes are in the form of 23 pairs. So the full set of chromosome is there. So this is diploid cells. This is known as 2n cell. While whenever the six cells, the germ cells, the sperms and eggs are produced as a result of meiosis from this diploid somatic cells. So in those daughter cells, the sperm cells or egg cells, the number of chromosomes will be reduced to half. So those cells will have half the number of chromosomes, that is known as haploid cells or 1n cells. So in those haploid cells, sperms and eggs, the number of chromosomes will be 23, and that will be not in the form of pairs, rather there will be only 23 chromosomes. So that is half of the total set of chromosomes, which is 46. So diploid means the cells in which chromosomes are in pairs, homologous pairs. Those pairs are known as homologous pairs. Homologous means those which are present at the same location. So in diploid cells, the chromosomes are in pair and they are known as 2n. They are denoted as 2n. While haploid cells mean the cells with half number of chromosomes. The chromosomes are not in the form of pairs and they will be half of the total set of chromosomes. So suppose in human, if we take example, so the normal body cells, the somatic cells, these are diploid, they have 2n chromosomes means total set of chromosomes means 46 chromosomes, while the 6 cells, the sperms and eggs, they are haploid cells and they have half the set of chromosomes, and that is 23. The 6 cells or germ cells, i.e. sperms and eggs, are produced through the process of meiosis. The 6 cells, the sperms and eggs, are produced by the process of meiosis, while the other body cells divide through the process of mitosis. Those normal other cells, other body cells, are known as somatic cells, while the 6 cells, the sperm and eggs, these are produced by the process of meiosis, and they have half the number of chromosomes, 23 chromosomes. The preparatory steps of meiosis are identical to the interphase of mitosis. We have already studied the mitosis. In the mitosis, the first major phase, that was interphase, that is also known as preparatory phase. So that is similar in mitosis as well as here in meiosis. Interphase is divided into the same three phases which we have already studied, G1, S and G2 phase. The interphase is followed by meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. So in the case of meiosis, there will be two major steps after the interphase. That will be meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. We will study these two in details in the next lectures. This is all about today's lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.